Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. I want to show you that this putty knife is made of the right kind of metal to cast sparks. Any metal that's high carbon steel and has been hardened is a good candidate for a steel for the Flint and Steel technique. Before we go ahead and make this ignition, let's go in the garage and I'll show you what kind of sparks it can cast. Get a piece of our fresh char cloth that we just made last week. Nice, clean, supple denim char cloth. Tear it in half. Line the two thready edges up on top of one another. Put it in behind this sharp edge about 1/16 of an inch. And you can't really see out in this bright sun, but it's ignited. Don't know when it ignited. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.